Okay, where are we going by Monday for Wish? This is really important, guys. We have to talk because everybody talk about meme stock and short squeeze and the pattern that been happening for in Reddit and Wall Street Bet, and they try to squeeze many stocks, and this is actually diluted the pressure for us to actually take any stock to the moon or anywhere, you know. So the problem now, right now, we have the sell-off that happened at the 14, as I showed you before in a video that we did. I warn you guys that we're gonna see a big rejection at this area. We hit the support, we actually closed below the support. So now what we're gonna expect? Let's get right to the video. Before we get on the video, press the like button and let's get right to it. Look with me, guys. Everybody actually talking about Wall Street Bet here and what's happening for trading meme stock. And if we look at the trading Wall Street Bet ticker, which is still the second after AMC, and this is really good to see even after we saw this big jump down, and we didn't respond we didn't hold our support around the $11.90. And again, we didn't hold around the $10.12, and we saw even the 9. And I told you guys, is a big sign of weakness the moment actually we go below this level. And we see accumulation phase here because we tested the price that we actually went down below. This is kind of sign of last sign of strength, and try to actually go over this resistant level, as we haven't here, guys. When we actually broke any support level, there is a chance that we want to go over. If there's a big selling pressure, like the seller have more momentum than the buyers, we're gonna see the price go down. Here as well, we see the 2 candle trying to actually go above this resistance. And the good thing that we close at the 10, but the bad thing that we got the rejection here candle, and we close below our support. So by Monday, if we still, because guys, this is really important, when the stock actually being triggered by Wall Street Bet, there's no common sense, and even there's anomaly in our chart, because this is not good. And even if you want to trade it, it will be a bit confusing, and a bit if you want to put even stop losses, you get triggered and you have a fake out like this one. So my point of view, buy when we actually go at 8, you could actually buy here. This is a perfect price. Or as I said before, sell around the 15, or again around the 11 if you actually bought around the 14, because we got a rejection here. So always have a strategy, guys. If you don't have a strategy and you just buy here and you just hold and you wait until the next bump, I will tell you the most important thing. If we got at least the next bump, if we want to see it for sure, because by Monday we might actually see the $10 here, $10.70 or something, or 11. But this is doesn't count, because the change in momentum and the next squeeze, if we close above the 11.90, and this is, we'll see the squeeze to $15. But other than that, we're gonna see accumulation phase and rejection area and consolidation here if we don't have buying power, and eventually we're gonna go back to key level around the $8.76. That's how the market react when the bump is over. If the bump is over, there is no something will take us from below, because it's not the big jump is not based on the fundamental, guys. It's based on Wall Street Bet bump. So when there's no pump, because the Wall Street Bet jump to another stock, we're gonna see the sell off, and it's really easy for short seller to sell it, and that's why we saw a lot of short in position, and the price went down really easily. And here we see a bit of accumulation phase. So like I said, if you want to get in, or you're ready want to get in, just wait until the 11.90, because here if we close and we have a confirmation candle, because If we don't have a conversion candle like this one, we get a rejection and we go below again. So this is really important to see the mega squeeze around the $15 here. This is really important to close above this support to see the another squeeze for wish. Other than that, I will tell you, don't get in if you still didn't get in, because we need a confirmation for a big squeeze. Now is still this area, this big like here, this box is not actually area of squeeze. The area squeeze is above the 1190, and below it will be the price will jump around the key level around the $8.76. Simple as that, guys. Try to make a visualization for you guys to see at least where you get in, where you go, where you get out, and how to react for this kind of behavior, because this doesn't make any sense with like a popcorn. Like now stock is like popcorn. It's like people just happen when actually popped. Wait until like put the oil and put the popcorn inside and close it, then you actually eat the popcorn after ready, not you actually open and the popcorns will pop on you. This is not good, guys. So without further ado, guys, bless the like button. Hopefully you have a nice weekend, and let's hunt for the next Monday for wish. I will do update actually pre-market, so stay tuned for that and see you in the next update.